Welcome back to a 200 horsepower challenge right here on Calm Lanes. The grass field, I know we slept, but I just cannot remember for the life of me. Let's grab the tractor. Okay, let's tab to the tractor. Oh, it's up here. Cannot remember for the life of me if the grass field is ready for a second load of fertilizer or not. I know it has one application. And before we go kicking things off, yes, we do need to get the straw up, and we do need to put the harvester back to where we got it. I need something to move the pallets around, and all I really need is a skid steer. And that's just to move the honey pallets. We'll get that. Then we'll get the bucket. And then the forks. Okay, so we got all that up at the store. And we're going to be, whoa. We're going to be feeling effects of the G-force here, I guess. But let me get all of this back to the yard, and I'll pick you up in a minute. It looks like we got a full pallet. And we do. And I can never do these things right. Well, at least it didn't slide off, so I'm thinking I did something right. And right there on the shelf it went. And as I run into the shelf. Let's try that again. Back up a foot, then. Ooh, we got another pallet. Well, bees. Whoa, jeez. Okay, that's a wrong button. And I know the pallets doesn't necessarily have to be full. And wow, where are we gonna park you? We're still gonna want to have. Let's park you right. You're gonna be out of the way for. Okay. Stay right there. Don't move. Okay. Now we need to grab this loading wagon. Come on. Need to go around and get that straw, and we can take it up to the, come on, take it up to the silo. What do we have in here? Straw and barley. Okay, nice. And it's all going to be built up until the next good month / day, since this is supposed to be every episode is a new day, new month kind of thing. But yeah, you see how I do it. And yeah, it helps to turn the wagon off if you want to go a little faster than what you're doing. So, anyway. And at some point, I will get this camera straight and whoops, there's a pole again. Poles that I keep managing to find. Ooh, I need the cultivator. Can't go too far just yet. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, that would have been about, with what we had, like 122,000 or something like that. It would have been a minute for us to raise up money again. But I didn't think until towards the end of the last episode, or at some point, to think of, oh, we're going to need something to move these pallets. Just like on a lot of my series, I didn't think that, a great example on that one? Goldcrest Valley. And I am going to make doubly sure everything in my power that this particular 200 horsepower episode comes up after Goldcrest Valley, because in Goldcrest Valley, I was so happy that the sunflower field was done. And I was like, yes, our sunflower field is done. We can finally harvest it, and we can take it over to the fry shop, and we can continue making our fries and stuff. And then I think the episode before that, I was like, okay, we're gonna need to do a tater contract, because I need taters to make the fries with. So yeah, in the previous episode in Goldcrest Valley earlier this week, Tuesday, I had come to the realization that I had no place to convert the sunflowers into the oil. And I had realized I had an open air garden at the main yard that I could actually select also potatoes to be grown and distributed. So yeah, I'm happy to say that took me a while to figure that stuff out. So I did buy a production to cure all that. and I'm acting like I don't want to say anything because I want it to be a surprise, but this episode is going to be up after Goldcrest. But yeah, I bought that farm production mod building. It's only 20,000 pounds, I think that game does money in. But it's one of those that are, from Omatana. So I threw one of those in, and not only can I make sunflower oil, and get this, I got that open air garden to get sugar, right? Yeah, that wasn't working because I was growing sugar beet in the garden, and the dairy needed sugar, and for some reason my brain was not working, and I'm like, maybe it probably work better if I take and processed the sugar beet to sugar before I was setting it off to the dairy, and wonder why nothing's happening. So yeah, I had a lot of fun in that episode. But yes, a lot of work did get done. And speaking of a lot of work, we got still all that to go. So we're going to get the rest of this done. And we are going to seed. I think we probably going to lay down a thing of fertilizer too. So I'll catch you guys in a second.
Instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
And that is the field done. Let's park this back up, and I'm going to have to start a second clip. Actually, all of my videos are starting to be more than one clip. That's including the mobiles. Because right now, on Throwback Thursday, I have recorded the first clip, and I've done some, well, kind of still in the middle of doing some more work off camera, because I thought it was going to go dark, but went back to the game and it's still daylight. But this is a massive harvest video, so not exactly everything's going to get shown. And I was going to go over the grass field again, but I don't know why I did not. Anyway, so I'm doing work on that off camera, and I don't know, I think I might actually do a little more work off camera, because I don't want to have it, you know, too much I don't want to have it too much, you know, try to squeeze into another hour recording. And we have straw from the grain fields in that particular given episode that I might actually just up and sell. Before the selling session video, and I've actually started to pick it up. So, coming along really nice right there. Are you ready to be harvested? Ooh, nope. And what is this? I thought this was canola. This is sorghum. Nice. Okay, cool. Grass is ready to cut again though. But yes, all my videos are becoming to the point where they are needing to be more than one segment to be recorded, I guess. Let's park you up here for some reason, because I thought more yards was gonna, or yeah, yards, fields was gonna be done, but this one is done. Actually, let's see how far we got to go. Loading the map. Loading the map. Where's the map? Where's the map? I'm the map. Okay, wrong theme song, but you get the idea. And the sorghum is going to be done. Very closely followed by the canola. And our latest field that we put in is probably a day or probably at least 2 days behind that one. So, oh yeah, we are going to be busy. But I don't know. Looks like so far we made it within an hour on this recording, but you know what? I am going to leave it here. I'm going to get out of the sun. Don't know if I took any screenshots or not, but if not, I can always do that in editing or after I end the video. But anyways, I'm going to leave it here, folks. Great picture of the greenhouses. And we are going to be having some fun in the next episode here, because that field's going to be ready. Then the next day, that's going to be ready, and then so forth. And so much fun. So much fun. And we might actually have a couple days in the next episode. So until the next episode, I'll see you guys then. You take care of yourselves. I'm out. Peace.